presented by Dr. Bandana Kumari, an assistant professor at DAV College of Education, Hoshiarpur, Punjab. Classroom management strategies. Classroom management encompasses the techniques and strategies teachers use to create a positive, organized, and productive learning environment. It involves setting clear expectations, routines, and procedures to minimize disruptions and maximize student engagement. The goal of effective classroom management is to foster a supportive atmosphere where students feel safe and motivated, not just to control their behavior. The ultimate goal is for both students and teachers to get the most out of the classroom experience. Classroom management should aim to create an organized and functional environment for both the teacher and students. It should establish opportunities for academic learning and personal growth, while also reducing disruptive behavior. The strategies should be time-efficient, ensuring that learning time is always prioritized. The goal is to keep students focused, motivated, and productive, and to promote an inclusive environment that caters to all ability levels. Effective classroom management is crucial because without it, a positive classroom culture cannot be created. It can also reduce a teacher's work-related stress and anxiety, potentially leading to greater job satisfaction. Furthermore, effective management not only encourages students to grow, but also helps teachers perform better, which can aid in career progression. Essentially, it ensures teachers can do their job properly and that students can fulfill their full potential. One of the foundational steps in classroom management is to establish clear expectations and rules from the very beginning. Teachers should clearly define these rules so students understand what is expected of them and the consequences of not following the expectations. It is vital to be consistent in enforcing the rules, as inconsistency can lead to confusion and misbehavior. Visual reminders, such as displaying the rules prominently, can serve as a constant reminder for students. Building positive relationships with students is a must for a positive classroom atmosphere. When students feel valued and respected, they are more likely to engage positively in the classroom. To build these relationships, teachers should show interest by learning about their students' interests, strengths, and challenges. They should also be approachable, creating a supportive atmosphere where students feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. It is also important for teachers to recognize and celebrate student achievements, no matter how small. An engaging curriculum captures students' interest and can reduce disruptive behavior. To design an engaging curriculum, teachers can incorporate interactive and hands-on activities that cater to different learning styles. It's also beneficial to relate lessons to real-world scenarios, such as through theme-based learning, to make them more relevant and practical. Effective teaching practices are essential for maintaining an orderly classroom. These practices include providing clear and concise instructions and checking for understanding before moving on. Teachers should also use active supervision by moving around the classroom to monitor behavior and provide assistance. Additionally, effective time management, including planning lessons with a clear structure and smooth transitions, is crucial. Positive reinforcement encourages desired behaviors by rewarding students when they meet expectations. This can include offering specific and genuine praise for good behavior and academic efforts. Teachers can also foster a sense of community by encouraging group work to enhance team spirit and teach life skills. Promoting peer support and mentoring programs within the classroom is another effective strategy. Despite the best efforts, misbehavior can still occur, and addressing it effectively is key to maintaining a positive learning environment. When addressing misbehavior for the first time, teachers should remain calm to avoid escalating the situation. It's best to address issues privately whenever possible to avoid embarrassing the student in front of their peers. Implementing logical consequences that are directly related to the misbehavior helps students learn from their mistakes. These steps contribute to creating an effective learning environment. In conclusion, classroom management strategies are not just about maintaining order. They are about creating a space where students can thrive and teachers can teach effectively. When these strategies are implemented consistently and respectfully, they contribute to a successful and enjoyable educational experience for everyone involved. Thank you.